Combine olive oil and lemon juice for remarkable effects. Many kitchens include olive oil and lemon juice, two often used items. They have health advantages as well as usage in cookery. Taken together, they form a potent cocktail. This mix will help you to feel better generally. Let's investigate the great advantages of combining olive oil and lemon juice. Improves gutters. Olive oil and lemon juice both support your digestive system. Citric acid runs abound in lemon juice. This acid helps to generate stomach acid, therefore facilitating digestion. Natural laxatives include olive oil. It can enhance bowel motions and aid to relieve constipation. They taken together will help your digestive system run more effectively. Cleanses the body. Over time your body gathers poisons. You can get sick from these poisons. One organically occurring detoxifier is lemon juice. It cleans the kidneys and liver. Olive oil enhances liver performance. Mixed together, they help your body eliminate pollutants. You may thus feel revitalized and revitalized. Improves heart health. One finds plenty of good fats in olive oil. These oils help your heart. They can reduce poor cholesterol. One can get antioxidants in lemon juice. These antioxidants guard your heart from injury. They taken together will help your heart function better. Frequent intake can lower the heart disease risk. Helps with weight loss. Efforts at weight loss can be difficult. One can benefit with olive oil and lemon juice. Citrus juice increases your metabolism. You then burn more calories. Olive oil reduces appetite control. It gives you longer-lasting fullness. This combo will help your efforts at weight loss. Improves skin quality. Also benefiting your skin from this combo is vitamin C is abound in lemon juice. Creation of collagen depends on this vitamin. Collagen maintains your skin fresh and firm. Olive oil loads in vitamin E. This vitamin guards your skin from injury. They taken together will help your skin look and be healthier. Strengthens immunity. One needs a healthy immune system absolutely. It keeps your body free from diseases. One finds plenty of vitamin C in lemon juice. This vitamin strengthens your immunity. Olive oil has antioxidants. These antioxidants help your immunity. Combining these will boost your immunity. Enhances hair health. Good general health is shown in healthy hair. Olive oil and lemon juice will help your hair. Lemon juice cleanses your scalp. It clarifies extra oil and dandruff. Olive oil dries your hair. It leaves your hair smooth and glossy. Combined use of these improves the condition of your hair. Has anti-inflammatory properties. Many medical problems can result from inflammation. It may cause chronic conditions. Olive oil and lemon juice have anti-inflammatory effect. Lemons have antioxidants in them. These antioxidants calm inflammation. Oleic acid makes up olive oil. This acid also lowers inflammation. They taken together can assist your body battle inflammation. Advancement of bone health. A good existence depends on strong bones. Olive oil and lemon juice help to enhance bone health. Vitamin C is abound in lemon juice. Formation of bones depends on this vitamin. Olive oil is calcium containing. Bone strength depends on calcium quite strongly. Combining these will help to maintain your bones' health. Improves hepatic function. Detoxification depends on your liver in great part. Olive oil and lemon juice can improve hepatic performance. Lemon juice supports liver cleansing. It gets poisons out of the liver. Olive oil supports hepatic function. It guards against liver damage. They can help your liver work better taken together. Shows antioxidant value. Your health depends much on antioxidants. They guards your body from free radicals. Damage of cells can result from free radicals. One finds plenty of antioxidants in lemon juice. Additionally present in olive oil are antioxidants. Combining them has great antioxidant value. This helps your body stay free from injury. Lemon juice and olive oil use guide. Lemon juice with olive oil can be used in numerous ways. These are a few straightforward techniques. Morning tonic. Combine 1 olive oil tablespoon with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Drink it straight out of empty stomach. This will allow your body to cleanse itself and improve digestion. Salad dressing. Making a salad dressing combines olive oil and lemon juice. For even taste, add some salt and pepper. This will let you enjoy your dinner and get health advantages. Hair mask. To make a hair mask, toss olive oil with lemon juice. Work it through your hair and scalp. Turn on it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse it with shampoo. This might help your hair to be healthier. Skin moisturizer. To create a skin moisturizer, toss olive oil with lemon juice. On your skin, apply it. This will help to keep your skin hydrated and silky. Cooking oil. In cooking, mix olive oil with lemon juice. This will improve your meal's taste. It can also offer you the health advantages. Safety notes. Although olive oil and lemon juice have numerous advantages, one need take some care. Lemon juice is an acid. It could erode your enamel from teeth. You should rinse your mouth following lemon juice consumption. Olive oil has several calories. One should ideally eat it in moderation. See your doctor before taking this combo if you have any health issues. Strong components are olive oil and lemon juice. Taken together, they have various health advantages. They encourage weight loss, purify the body, improve heart health, and speed digestion. They can improve immune system strength, skin and hair condition, and have anti-inflammatory effects. They can improve liver performance, increase bone strength, and offer antioxidant effects. Lemon juice with olive oil have several uses in your everyday life. One should eat them in moderation and exercise care. Including this blend into your life will help you to enjoy its great advantages. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.